Good afternoon. It is August the 11th, 2016. Time to recap today. We came in this morning wanting to buy 74s, 76s. We had to raise that to the 75, 77 based on what happened. We actually did get a low of 75 right here, and we got a B coming out of it. So S trade right there, positive. Monkey trade right here, positive. This S would be a 0. 3 bars go to break even. We do make new highs right here. Market dies, goes nowhere, and it stayed dead. We do get up to 85. And here we sit at 83.32. So my guess is we're going to see a higher close. We'll see history made here with higher contract highs and a higher contract close too. It's the nature of the beast. The news, some is from a headline basis is actually supportive. Most, when you get past the headline basis, is not. They revised. The administration was bragging about compensation, personal income, jobs, and all the rest of it. And then yesterday, the Bureau of Labor Statistics revised growth down to a negative number from a positive number of plus 4.7 over the last year. So it's just very, very difficult to believe anything that comes out of any government organization or bureau right now, and it is a fact of life. They maintain some credibility by going back and revising it lower over time, but the downward revisions don't get near the press or the reaction that the original news announcement gets. Okay, on the F1 screen, we're definitely dealing with a P. We've got a higher low and a higher high. That suggests higher prices tomorrow, or at least a retest of today's highs. So looking for a place to buy it off of this screen. On the F2 screen, definitely a P with a move out of the middle. Right now, volume is over time. It looks like it can trade higher. We might get some profit taking into the close, and we'll just have to see where it is. But again, I just don't see any signs of concentrated selling. We have had 2 lower days this week, but they have not produced follow-through selling for the second day. So quietly higher is where I see us. Tomorrow's news, we've got a lot of news on tap for tomorrow. PPI up a tenth. Up a core up 0.2. Retail sales up 0.4. X autos plus 2. Business inventories plus a tenth. No one will pay any attention to that. Consumer sentiment 91. Even. Given the stock market, could be higher. And Baker Hughes rig count last week was 586. My guess is it'll be higher. The focus will be retail sales ex auto, and then consumer sentiment. I think the PPI news will be buried with the retail sales news. The news, if as forecast, would be supportive for indexes. So, if the market were to close right here, right now, selling failure to take out and hold 85, 89 to 91 would be sell 2. On the buy side, 79 to 81, and 75 to 77 for buy 2. Okay, 10-year got slammed today, probably anticipation of tomorrow's news, could be some of it. Tomorrow's a pause day that usually gives us a trading range day. So The highs matched. We definitely got a lower low than yesterday's low, so we can sell failure to rally and take out near resistance. And if we don't break the 124 to 132 area, probably play it from the long side in anticipation of a pause day on settlement day. F1 says find a place to sell it. F2, multiple distributions lower. So the auction took place at 7.5, 8. Did rotate up to 9.5. Then we broke it at 07. So we're currently at 1.5. So 3 to 7. Sell 1. 11 to 15. Sell 2. On the buy side, we have this low over here at 27. So 25, 29, buy 1. 17 to 21, buy 2. Knob spread came in a bunch today. So first resistance is going to be the buck to 04. Sell 7s to 11s. And then 15s to 19s. Support is at 20 to 24. So 13 to 17, buy 1. And 1 to 5, buy 2. Okay, gold got hit with treasuries. Stock market is going up. No need to own gold, right? Lower high, lower low. Find a place to sell it off the F1 screen. Definitely have a B on the F2 screen. And you can see how it really followed treasuries down. Do an eye split to show you that was a treasury auction. So 40.42 buy 1. We do have a lot of news tomorrow. It will react like the treasuries will. 35.37 buy 2. On the sell side, 49.51. 55.57 sell 2. Yeah, crude oil, a big strong day up. We have these $2 to $4 days in the in crude oil every now and then. We had one today. The break really was from 45. There's ways to go on the F1, but this one definitely find a place to buy it to see if we can extend the range. Usually after a trend day we have a pause day, so if we don't take out the 43.75, 44 area in the Globex session, my guess is we'll go back and find out where support really is. So in the 4 stages of market development, the first stage takes us up 43.80, cut off the buying. We're in stage 3 right here, development. and we're looking for a new move out of the 43.50 area. 43.75, 44 is sell 1. 44.50, 44.75, sell 2. On the buy side, 43, 43.75 by 42.75 by 1, and 42 and a quarter, 42.50 by 2. Okay, the news if as forecast should hurt the euro tomorrow. I mean, as our economy is stronger on a relative basis than theirs is. Inside day on F1, trade it. Trading range is what that forecast. On F2, definitely be follow the treasuries lower. In the news if as forecast should take us lower, so 11.50 is buy 1. Buy 2, 11.25. On the sell side, 11.75, sell 1. And then 112 even, sell 2. Just play market numbers. And that's it for this August 11th, 2016. I will see you bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening.